How to disable notifications on your iPhone 16e. Maybe you're annoyed by certain apps sending you some notification. To disable them, simply go into the settings of your iPhone, go down, and one of the options should be notifications. Tap on this, go down, and you're going to see all the apps that are able to send you notifications. And if one of them, as I said, annoys you, let's say this one, Game Center. Well, tap on it and you can turn off the notification of this app. So over here, I turn this off, but I can also uncheck all the other ones and also uncheck allow notifications, obviously. By turning these off and that off, you're sure that the app won't be able to send you any. And this is about it. You can do this with all the other apps if they're annoying you. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.